Hello. Today's lecture is about a shortcut method to find the adjoint and inverse of a matrix. So let us start. So firstly, finding adjoint. Step one is to get the matrix. So here we have taken the matrix A, a 3 cross 3 matrix, which are where the entries are as follows. I'll read the entries row wise: 111, 120, and 001. So moving towards step 2, what we have to do is repeat column 1 and column 2. So this is our original matrix. I have repeated over here the column 1 and column 2. Then moving towards step 3, we have to repeat row 1 and row 2 from step 2. So this is our step 2, which is a 3 cross 5 matrix. And from this 3 cross 5 matrix, we have to repeat row 1 and row 2. So here you can see I have repeated the row 1 and row 2. So this is repeated row 1 and repeated row 2. So the entries are as follows. I'll read the entries row wise: 11111, 12012, 00100, 11111, 12012. So this was step 3. So here we have got a 5 cross 5 matrix. Let's move towards step 4. So the step 4 here is we have to convert the obtained 5 cross 5 matrix into a 4 cross 4 matrix by deleting first row and first column. So here is our 5 cross 5 matrix, and what I have done over here is I have deleted the first row and first column. So what we are left with is now a 4 cross 4 matrix. Now after we get this 4 cross 4 matrix, we move towards final step, that is step 5. We write the adjoint by using 2 cross 2 matrices of adjacent rows and column. So by using the adjacent row and column, we have to form 2 cross 2 matrices. So let us see how many 2 cross 2 matrices I can form. So this is the first 2 cross 2 matrix, this is the second 2 cross 2 matrix, this is the third 2 cross 2 matrix, this is the fourth 2 cross 2 matrix, this is the fifth, this is sixth, seventh, eighth, and 9. So we have 9 2 cross 2 matrices. So if we have 9 2 cross 2 matrices, we will get 9 determinants of those 2 cross 2 matrices. 9 determinants of those 2 cross 2 matrices. So let us check those 9 2 cross 2 determinants. So I'll just erase this so you can see it comfortably. So what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to find the determinants of 2 cross 2 matrices column wise. So if I find the determinants column wise, I have to write them row wise, that is like this. And if I find the determinants row wise, I have to write them column wise, that is like this. So let us see. So the first determinant over here is as follows. So the first 2 cross 2 matrix is this, and the determinant over here is 2 times 1 is 2 minus 0 2. So the first determinant is 2. Now I am going column wise. So the second determinant is 0 minus 1, that is minus 1. Now as I am going column wise, I'll write it row wise over here. So I wrote over here minus 1. The third determinant is 0 minus 2 and as I'm going column wise, I'll write over here row wise, which is -2. You can do it like you can go row wise for the determinants and write it column wise also. It's your wish. So over here I have the determinant 0 -1, that is -1, 1 minus 0, which is 1, and similarly the further determinants are 1 0 0 1. You can check for yourself. So over here we have 9 determinants, and thus those 9 determinants form the elements of a 3 cross 3 matrix, and that matrix is nothing but our adjoint A. Now this was the shortcut to find the adjoint of a matrix. Now inverse of a matrix, as we know, inverse is nothing but adjoint of that matrix divided by determinant of that matrix. So writing the determinant of that matrix, so let us write the matrix again. The matrix was 1 1 1 1 2 0 0 0 1. So its determinant is 1 times 2 minus 0 minus 1 times 1 minus 0 plus 1 time 0 minus 0, that is 0. And so finally we have determinant as 2 minus 1, that is 1, and that is why our inverse is nothing but our adjoint. Therefore for this case we have A inverse is equal to adjoint of A. So this was the shortcut method to find the adjoint of a matrix and inverse of a matrix. Hope you find it useful. Thank you.